Hello students, welcome to Nanded Free Education channel. And on this channel we have started the videos of English subject also. So we are going to see first all the grammar parts, the grammar topics, and then we will move toward the lessons of different classes. In the previous one video, parts of speech were discussed with you. In that, the introduction of all the 8 parts of speech was given. Now, in the coming series of videos, we'll be discussing each part of speech in detail. So, let's begin the first video about the first part of speech, that is nouns. First of all, what are the nouns? Nouns, that are the naming words of things, people, animal, quality or idea. If you see the pictures, you can see these all are the examples of noun. Sun, bird, tree, cloud, dog, house, adelia, all these are the examples of nouns because these all are the naming words. Now, what is the function of nouns? Nouns can function in a sentence as a subject, means a noun in a sentence can be a subject, it can be an object, or it can be object of a preposition. And the kinds of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun: proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns. In this video, we'll be discussing it in detail. So first kind of noun, that is common nouns. A common noun names any person, place, thing or idea in general. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. It means if a common noun is there, but if the common noun is the beginning part of the sentence, then the first letter is capital. Otherwise, it comes in the small letters. For example, teacher, baseball, city. These all 3 are the common nouns. Here, some more examples of common nouns are there: persons, animals, places, things, ideas. You can pause the video and you can read all the examples of common nouns. Let's move toward the second kind of noun, that is proper nouns. A proper noun names a specific person, place or thing, and the proper nouns are capitalized. It means the first letter of proper noun is capital. Examples: Brunswick, Florida, Summer Waves, Glen Middle School, Harry Potter, Mrs. Jones. If you see all these examples of proper nouns, the first letter is capital of each proper noun. Here also, these are the proper nouns with the picture. You can: Jupiter, Australia, Taj Mahal, Santa Claus, King Charles I, the Bible, Titanic. These all are the proper nouns. Now the difference between a common nouns and proper nouns. If you see the table, it will clear both the things. Writer is a common noun. It means any writer. But if we say Mark Twain, then it becomes a proper noun because here we are discussing about a specific, a particular writer, that is Mark Twain. Even you can take the another proper noun, Shakespeare or Wordsworth. Any writer you can take. City. City means any city, that is a common noun. But Chicago, Mumbai, Delhi, this becomes the proper nouns. Planet, any planet. But if we say Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, then it becomes the proper noun. River, common noun. The river Thames, the Ganga river, that all are the proper nouns. Restaurant, any restaurant. But if you say the Taj, then it becomes the proper noun. Tea, Earl Grey. Drink, if you see, tell about any of the company, then it becomes the proper nouns. Building and website. So the left column is all common noun and the right column is all about the proper nouns. The third kind of noun, that is collective nouns. And a collective noun is a noun that names a group of people, animals or things. Collection, we know collection means a group of something. And the collective noun which is used for a group of people, animal or things, it is called as the collective noun. And one more note, you have to take care that the collective nouns are not regular nouns made plural by adding es. They are nouns that can only refer to a group and cannot be made to refer to only one part of that group. An army of ants, a flock of sheep, a pride of lions, a school of fish, and a paddling of ducks. These all are the collective nouns. Some more examples of collective nouns are given. That collective noun is the name we give to a group of nouns to refer to them as one entity. People for people. A class of students, an army of soldiers, a choir of singers, a crew of sailors, a band of musicians, a bunch of crooks. These all are the collective nouns used for people. Now, collective nouns for animals. A catch of fish, an army of ants, a flight of birds, a flock of birds, a haul of fish, a flock of sheep. And for things, a group of islands, a galaxy of stars, a wad of notes, a forest of trees, a clump of trees also used, a stack of wood, a fleet of ships. The fourth kind of noun is material noun. In the word only the definition is there. A material noun is that what refers to a material or substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton. And wheat, glass, gold, coal. These all are the material nouns. And the last kind of noun is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word which names something that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. These all nouns are called as abstract noun. And the examples of abstract noun: friendship, childhood, kingship. And we can form abstract noun from common noun. If you see the table, brother, that is a common noun, and brotherhood, that is the abstract noun. Same, child and childhood. Friend is a common noun, but friendship, abstract noun. King, kingship. Leader, leadership. Man, manhood. So here all the 5 kinds of noun with examples I have discussed with you, and in the next video we'll be discussing about the rules for making singular noun into plural nouns. So I hope till this video the things means the kinds of nouns are clear to you. If you understood the topic and if you like the video, you can click on like and you can subscribe the channel if it is not subscribed till. Thank you.